Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.